This is the Greenmade shelf. I got this from Costco for $25. And I got it for my shed, as you can tell, just because I needed basically layered storage. I had stuff, I had stuff on the shelves here and what have you. Super simple to put together. The shelves everything's obviously plastic, so you can wash it, and that's what's perfect for a shed because this is obviously not conditioned. But we could take this apart real simple. Installing it was actually putting it together, assembly was really simple. You just put these little posts in here, and then you put the next one on top, and then the next one on top, and then the next one on top. It comes with legs to keep this off the ground, but I actually didn't want it on the ground, off the ground, because that would just give like bugs and stuff and mice somewhere to live. So these are the feet. You could put these under there and have it elevated, but I chose not to do that. It also has dust covers for the top. Probably a good idea for a shed, because then you don't want bees and stuff like that flying in and making, a nest in there. But I'm really impressed, really happy. Basically using this for some robots and some other tools. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see I have my chainsaws there on the top. It's a little dark in here, but I think you get the picture. Definitely would recommend it from Costco for $25. This is a killer deal. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV Raw, and I'm out. I'll try to put a link down below.